Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to exercise in the morning. First, you're going to make sure your hair is out of your face. Then we have to have comfy exercise clothes on. First, we have to start by stretching. Neck exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to go side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to exercise our shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to stretch our legs. Stand on your tippy toes and come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finally, we're going to stretch our back. Everybody sit on the floor. Put your legs straight out. Close them. Reach for your toes 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's time to exercise. Yay! Now we're going to do push-ups and you go up and down. And we're going to do 5 push-ups. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you feel the burning in your arms? Because I do. The next exercise is the mountain climb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to exercise our back and move our sides. Exercise our side. Put your hands together and then you go side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to stand up on our feet. We're still exercising our back. Now going to open our legs and stretch our arms out and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I felt a crack in my shoulder. I felt a crack. I heard a crack in my shoulder.
While you were exercising?
Yes. Now we're exercising our arms. It's really easy. All you have to do is punch.
You're going to do it how many times?
10.
All right, so let me hear you count to 10 and punch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, not 11. Now we're gonna do jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you do 10 more?
Yeah.
Let me see you do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good job.
Our last exercise is run in place.
You're gonna run in place until you get to 20, okay? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I think we forgot a number. I think we forgot number 15. So let's do it again. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16,
You forgot 15 again.
15,
Hey,
16,
run a man on that beat.
17,
Hey, run a man on that beat. Hey, run a man on that beat. Hey, run a man on that beat.
This is how I get my energy in the morning.
Are you out of breath?
Yes? I hope this will give you energy too.
So what do you do when you're done working out?
Go to bed.
You get back in the bed?
Yes?
You stronger?
Yes! Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Going to sleep?
Mhm.